What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over a kind of like a wet and dry vac by the company HYCHIKA, is how I think how you would say that. Better tools for a better life, according to them anyway. Wet and dry vacuum HYCHIKA, and the model number is the MWD192, and it looks like it's a 1200 watt, 20 liter. It's a one piece, 5 kg. I guess that's the overall weight of this thing. So it came in this box right here. I have not opened it yet, but you know what? I have my little Next Tool multi-tool, which helps me open all these boxes. So let's go ahead, let's cut this thing open and see what's inside. And check it out, everybody. In the Christmas spirit of red and green, that is Christmas colors. How cool is that? Let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Whoa, look at that. It's got chrome siding on it. That looks so premium. Y'all see that sunshine in there? Look at that glare on that thing. That does not look cheap at all. That looks very premium. Looks like it did take a shot right there in shipping and gave me a little bit of a bend, but I'm sure that's fine. And down in the box, you've got some extra hoses there, and it looks like that's it. So I got a little nervous there. I didn't see much more in the package, but you have to open this thing up. Check it out. You get a full hose down in there. You get extra fittings right there. There's all that, some more fittings, a lot of fittings. Some bags right there. I guess if you wanted to bag something. Yeah, and it looks like you get a little set of instructions and another filter right there. So you get kind of a lot with this. Let me go ahead and put all this together, get a cord ran, and let's see if this thing sucks or not. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just put it together. This thing was very simple to put together. You have your hose that locks in here. They give you these attachments that go with this floor sweeper thing, which all of it goes right here. You get 3 attachments that makes you like a long handle, and I will show that here in a minute. And check this out. You have a little brush for cleaning like stereo equipment or something like that, and a fine kind of like a small like vacuum piece right there that would clean crack and crevice. And then over here's my favorite. This is what I use the most for cleaning seats, cleaning up my van and things like that. And I do have my van right here, and you guys can see there is a lot right here where people's been getting in and out. And you know what? I feel like I'm on a construction site anyway with them building a fence over there. So this thing would be great for a construction cleanup or something like that. So let me just show y'all. Oh yeah, check it out. They do give you some wheels with it. You have 4 casters that you install on it. You basically put them on there and you just kind of like barely push down on it. They seem to kind of fit themselves in there. Let's go right here. Let's get this fitting. I like how it has the fitting stuck on the tops right there. So let's do this one. So they're calling this the floor nozzle. So check this out. You just pull on it. Look how it just comes to me like a little R2-D2. See that? And this is a carpet inside my van. Check this out, everybody. Y'all hear that? Look at this. I do like how it has the rollers on there. This thing works great. Actually, look, it's so strong, it's picking up my carpet. Very impressive. I've been needing a good kind of like vac like this that didn't want to break the bank, but I want it to be good. That looks really good, everybody. I'm very impressed with this thing. Yeah, I'm going to be using this one a lot. Now let's put the little crack and crevice piece on there. It'll get down in areas like that. It is a little noisy, this little thing. So I actually thought this was 2 pieces, but what it is, it's a little piece like that. How cool is that? They've integrated that into both of them. So you see down in there. So now check it out, everybody. I took off the side pieces and I made this thing. So it gives you like this long handle, so I could easily clean like a roof or something, or just my floors. Like hardwood floors or things like this. I think this is one of these items that has a multiple of uses. This one has a rubber piece right here, so that means it would probably take up water, because you could like run the water right there. So if we're vacuum up some a spillage real quick, make sure you put the right filter on there if you're gonna be like vacuum up water, because if we had like a lot of water, what I'd want to do is take this off, take off that filter. You can see all that dirt down in there that it just got out of my carpet. That was all just in my carpet. And you would change out your filter. They do give you what they call a sponge filter that you will put on there. Flow out here, because you can use this to blow up something, because there's a lot of air coming out of there. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the HYCHIKA wet and dry vac. See y'all next video.